After watching this video, you will not be throwing away your onion peel anymore. Yes, that your onion peel, it is very useful. So you wash it properly, guys. Wash your onion peel properly. We need just two ingredients here. You add your water in your pot and add this onion peel. The next is going to be 4 cloves. I say four. It is not much. 4 cloves. Add it into this water. Allow it to boil for 8 to 10 minutes. What did I say? 8 to 10 minutes. After that, let it cool down. Then you strain it out. What did I say? You strain it out. Then what you are going to do, guys, do this during your wash day. Apply it to your scalp. Massage your scalp very well. Add it to your spray bottle, then apply it to your scalp and also the ends of your hair after 1 hour. But wait, you have to cover your hair. Cover it with shower cap or anything around you. Just use it and cover. Yes. After 1 hour, you now wash it off. What did I say? You wash it off. I have done so much, Abby. Oh yeah, like and share this video and see my next video. Bye.